Your MacBook Neo is a powerhouse, but bad settings can still make it feel slow or sluggish. So, let's speed up your machine with 5 pro-level optimizations to unlock its true performance. First, let's fix your power delivery. Go to System Settings, from there to Battery, and ensure Low Power Mode is set to Never, as this can cut your performance significantly. Another way to make your Mac feel instantly faster, eliminate the delay of pretty animations. Go to System Settings, from there to Accessibility, then head over toward Motion and toggle on Reduce Motion to make every window snap open without lag. Alright, hidden login items are often why a Mac starts running slow over time. So, open System Settings, from there to General, scroll down for login items and extensions. Enter the settings. Here, just clear up all the unnecessary items and apps from this list you don't need immediately at startup. More importantly, look at the app background activity and disable anything that steals resources while you aren't using them. Alright, now let's talk a little basics, but important. You should restart your Mac regularly to clear the RAM, but it's easy to forget. So instead, you can search for terminal, and then schedule restart for a specific time or day. Just type sudo space AM or PM set space repeat space restart space, then write down the day initial like M for Monday, and then another space, and in digit write hour, minute, second. Like, I have scheduled a restart at every Monday at midnight. Hit enter, then put down your screen lock and hit enter again to save it. You can set it to any day you want to multiple days in a week. Another thing to bear in mind that if your Mac Neo storage is nearly full, your system will crawl. So go to System Settings, from there to General, then head over to Storage and ensure you have at least 50 gigs of free space. Finally, if a lot of windows and apps are opened and idle all the time, your click, tap, swipe responses will feel sluggish. So just click on the Apple icon, then go to Force Quit. And then force quit all the apps that you are not currently using. This will refresh the apps and clear up the background activities so you, Neo, can run a bit faster and smoother. And before we end, let me remind you that a pending software update can slow down your MacBook as well. So, if there's an update, just install it to your Mac as soon as possible. And these tweaks ensure your hardware is never held back by the software. Thanks for your time.